Okay, so we picked up Bambu Lab A1 Mini. So it's the first 3D printer. So I'm going to learn how to use this. So did a lot of research, and this sounds like a good one to start with. Have a few projects, small pet projects to do. So hopefully we can tackle a lot of those with this small printer. We're going to do the box opening. So this is also the filament. I picked up Jad White and for the first one. So I also picked up from Bambu Lab. I was close thinking to use a different brand, but I thought, okay, I'll stick for the first one with the Bambu Lab too, until I finish learning, go through the learning curve before I try anything else. So we can open. Okay, this looks like this. I have it all set up to lift it up, I guess. So the whole thing. Okay. The box aside. It's nicely packed to avoid any damage in transportation. And that's some tools. There's an Allen key. There's some, I believe this may be silicone and some lubrications, right? So some few things to use, I guess, to install, and few things to use for the maintenance later. But leave it here so we don't lose that. Leave the box. That. Okay, and put everything into the box. More foam. It's time to lift this one inside. Okay, so I'm going to put this one on the table. Place it up. Okay, what else left here? We have some sample filament, which is the same color as that what I got, but that'll. And then there's a tube. So I'm going to put these things over here. The silicone pack. That's not sure what is this. LED lamp kit designed by the girl's. Okay, so that's, what is it? Okay, so there is LED. I guess I have to design the piece that goes along with this, I guess. So that's something that I have. Well, let's do that. I guess that's a good sample print. So that came with it. Put aside. That's another piece. Came with it. This is a little manual, I guess. That's it. Not missing anything. Don't want to throw anything thinking it's garbage. And then there is one more piece here. Okay, so I got this piece. That's garbage. We will need this. I don't know if I will use that sample or if I will use this. Yeah, both together. So put all over here and then we're going to assemble it. Okay, one more piece. Okay, so we got all this. There's few more pieces. Here's another foam piece, and I guess that may be the manual. And let's open that. Okay. These are a couple of stickers to go along on a lot of the places on these plastics, I guess. Free premium model. I don't know. It's not sure what this is. Try making world explore endless models with. Okay, so there's. I have to read through that. That's ensure that this bell plate is in on the heat bed, and so that's that's the magnetic plate, and this is the manual, quick start manual. So let's go through. So the things that I got this piece there, and the accessory box, which I took it out. That's the accessory. And then purge wiper, which I don't know what is. Okay, purge wiper. Okay, I think it's this. It's the purge wiper. Then PTFE tube. That is this. Filament, the sample filament, and the plate. It's already attached, and quick start manual. Okay, got everything that's inside that accessory box. So we're going to unscrew. So we're going to take out. We're going to take the zip tie out. We're going to remove the zip tie, cut that, and then unscrew this plastic piece. There's a plastic piece over here, so we have to unscrew that, take it out. And then the next step is also these 3 spots to unscrew. Is take this foam. Let me take the foams out. So the ones that they're asking to tight is this one, and this corner. So we're going to tight it. Yeah. Just to the hand tight, and then just be gentle. Gonna tight this as well. Okay, it's good. And clip. I'm going to remove this plastic. Screws over here. Okay, so this plastic comes out. This is a protection for transportation, and these 4 screws. I'm going to put it aside. Hope we don't need the screws. So that part is done. Next we're going to put this purge wiper. We're going to install it over here. It slides from the back forward, and we need these one M3 12mm screw that's provided somewhere here. These couple of screws. So M3, so it's this one. So you can see it's M3 12mm. So it's this screw. So it's very nice. They have labeled everything nicely, and it comes with Loctite. So that's to keep it without coming out when it's okay. I'm gonna move this one to the corner edge so it will be easy to put it in. Okay, it's done. Next, we're going to install the spool holder. As the spool holder, we're going to install it should be going it's going to be in the back over here. And so you can see this spool holder. There's another piece should be going there. This piece first. So you have to put, you have to install this plate facing this way, the long side this way, and then the spool holder can slide over here. So that's how it's going to work. And the spool holder screws are 2 M3 8mm long. So that's 6. Yeah. So it's going to be these two. It's M3 8mm. Make sure it goes smooth and nice so that we know it's not going cross thread until you the Loctite. Will be a little bit tight. When you get to Loctite, it's fine. And you give it a little bit of okay, that's good. And then put the spool holder. Okay, it's a little bit tight, but it's good. Next thing we're going to do is install, turn around the machine. We're going to install the tube. It's going to go from here to here, and then also we're going to tie this one together. I'm going to put this piece, take the tube out. This tube is called, that's the PTFE tube, and so it doesn't say which one is supposed to go over here. Connect the PDF tool and filament inlet, either one of the 4, and the filament guide with the, so it's, you can put it into either one. So you put it into first one over here, and then I'm going to put this one over here. Okay, it's done. Then we're going to connect this over here like that. Yeah, it doesn't look clean as what it shows in the picture, right? Because it's a little bit twisted over here, but I think it'll be okay. And then next step is plug in the power cable and turn on the A3 mini using the power switch on the back. So there's a power switch in the back. Yeah. Plug it and turn on. Let's talk about putting any lubrications or anything. So I guess it's already coming with that. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and put that lubrication. Okay, so the oil goes here, this rails, right? These rails and these rails. You can put a little bit oil. Not much. Just keep a little bit. Okay, that's all. We just need few drops. That's it. And the grease, this grease goes inside here. But what I noticed was this: it's still, because the oil probably got dried. We don't know when it was manufactured and it was sitting, but the grease, you still see inside the white grease. So I'm not going to put anything yet. I'm going to just leave it. So now the next step is, put this aside. Next step is we're going to plug it in. And we're going to turn on in the back. Okay, this is the light turned on. Okay, unleash your creativity. Start. English, North America, connect to Wi-Fi. Okay, I'm going to cut off from the camera until I set. Once you done with the Wi-Fi, it gives you a barcode. Scan Bambu, download app. Okay, install. Okay, so what it took me a couple of steps. I scanned, it opened up the app, I installed the app, and once I installed, I created an account. Once I created the account, I went into the app, and there was a section to bind, and once I bind it, it opened up the to scan the QR code, and once I scan the QR code, it binded. So it's connected with my phone. The next step is calibration. So it's calibrating now. Okay, so The calibration is done. When the calibration is completed, now it's saying it's time to lubricate y-axis guide rails. The lubrication oil is included in the accessory box. So I actually did that ahead of time before we went into the calibration. So I guess that should have been done after the calibration. I guess it's no harm because the lubrication is always good. So this part is already done, so I can still see there is oil residue, so that's good. So I'm going to say it's done. Now I'm going to go into filament, the new firmware upgrade available. Oh, it's asking me to upgrade the new firmware. You want to upgrade now? I'm going to upgrade it. Update. Okay, it's doing the update. Okay, so it says update successful. Okay, so the filament, I'm going to load it. So we're going to put the filament. Okay, we're going to put it here. Load it through here. And press the load. Filament type is unknown, but it is required to perform this action. Do you want to edit the filament information? Yes. I guess I have to keep pushing it more and then load. Press the load. So okay, load. It shows the green light on the inside over here, so it should be good. System okay. Print files. So there is a couple of files inside here, you can see. So you can pick something to print for the test printing. You can print a panda bear, switch display board, whistle pan flute. Okay, oh, you can print a flute. So I'm going to print this flute. What do you want to print? Okay, checking with my wife what she wants to print, so she has no preference. Print a benchy. Maybe let's print a benchy. Okay, this takes 20 minutes and 11 grams of spool. So let's print. For the match, filament file is PLA, so that's the filament. Okay, print. Okay, it's starting. Okay, I'll show in about. Okay, let's see when it starts. So that's how it shows. So it's showing it's recording. It says record. Okay, it records. Guess the video. I think there is a small memory stick over here. So it's recording the video of the process. It has the light, so you can turn on or off light. If you want, you can pause it, and if you want, you can stop it.